Well, my roses bloomed beautifully back in May, and then they just kind of petered out. And this is the type of rose bush that is supposed to bloom consistently throughout the entire year. And when it wasn't blooming, it was growing quite a bit. Now, back in May, I had remembered something my grandmother did years ago with her roses, and that was to throw some coffee. So this is what's left of this morning's brew, and I'm going to just very simply just toss it. And I don't water it in or anything, I just leave it there, and that's it. So, geez, while I'm doing this, I see an awful lot of weeds. And since I started doing the coffee routine again, I have found that my rose bush will bloom. So try it. It works.